Hi guys, Judy Fine here from Online with Judy Fine. I have a quick little chat today about staying open on an O vowel. And then I have an exercise for you to try while following my advice. It's an exercise from the online member portal. If you're interested in becoming an online singer athlete member, you can find out more about that on my website, onlinewithjudyfine.com, on the vocal coaching page, bottom of the vocal coaching page. So a while back, I made a video, I don't know, a few months ago, talking about the vowel sound oo, and I gave you an exercise to practice my advice around the sound oo. And that advice was to not close your lips around the W until you were done with the sound. So ooh has a kind of W at the end. And if you want to move around, if you want to have a nice flow, you want to keep your throat nice and open, you want to stick to the before the w. So the same thing goes for an O. Oh, you want to avoid the W until you finish whatever acrobatics you want to do on the O. Oh, and then you put the W on the end. So quick chat for this video today, because I'm just going to get you right to the vocal exercise where you can practice this. Staying on the O and not rushing to the W until you finish whatever movements you're going to make on that sound. All right. And just a heads up, this exercise might throw you off a little bit at first. It's one of the very few exercises in the member portal that is around the framework of a minor chord. Almost all of them are major chords. So be patient with yourself. You might not hear it right initially. You might miss. It's usually the fourth note that people don't go low enough on. So just be patient with yourself. You'll get it. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes. See you next time.
Okay, an easygoing agility exercise on the sound O. You're going to put off the W at the end of the word or the sound O. Focus on something more like then you put the W on. Let's go. Sounds like this. Oh. Okay, good posture, big ribs, relaxed shoulders, relaxed tongue, and nice opening inside your mouth to make the sound